In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this HUAWEI. Begin with exiting settings and scrolling all the way down to access accessibility features. Now tap on one-handed mode over here and tap on this sweater next to it if it's not already on. Then follow all of those instructions. As you can see, I have 3 keys navigation, so I have to follow all of those. Slide your finger across the bottom of the screen. So when I do that, and tap on got it, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. You can go back by clicking on this area over here. If you wish to change placement of it, just swipe to the other side, then go back the same way. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same no blow sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!